Hello, it's snack making day here at the Life Make Cafe, and we have some pecan walnut cookies. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're going to talk about trail mix. Now, trail mix is one of those things that you might like to take on a long trip or a vacation, maybe when you're going camping. And almost always I find out when dealing with trail mix and things that are bought at the store, there's always something in it that you don't like. So why not make your own? And it's very easy to make your own.
Is it cheaper to make your own?
It's definitely cheaper to make your own.
You get a lot more for the same price, really.
Yeah, you really do get a lot.
And you have it custom made to what you want in it.
Right here we have a bowl of mixed nuts.
Right, we started.
How come you aren't in it?
Ha ha ha.
We started with 3 jars of peanuts, and then we add, and I like to always do honey roasted because it gives you the sweetness you like. We have cashews, we have walnuts, and we have honey roasted pecans. For our fruit, we put in sun-dried raisins and cherries, and then we like to add your basics of chocolate, of course, Reeses Pieces, and a blend of just M&Ms and regular M&Ms and peanut M&Ms. So we empty all of those nuts into a large colander like this. And the reason why I put it into a colander is when we stir it up, all of the extra salt will fall to the bottom. And we can get rid of that. That's salt, the extra salt that your body doesn't need to have. All right, now I'm gonna...
So you emptied out the bowl, now you're gonna just dump all the nuts into it.
Yeah.
That's a lot of nuts.
Okay, when you do your dried fruit, Abby, can you stir? So they don't, lots of times the raisins will stick together. So make sure you kind of pick them apart. And have somebody stir. This is a great thing if you have a child, a younger kid that can help you when you do this in the kitchen. So they think they're cooking too, which is perfect. This is why my daughter likes trail mix so much. It's because when she was 4 and 5 and 6, we made our own, and every vacation thereafter, she has always said, are we gonna make the trail mix?
Try to stir from the bottom to the top.
Right.
So you get it good, even-ish mixture.
From the bottom to the top?
Yep.
Yes.
That's more effective?
Now, dried cherries are a little bit bigger. Some dried cherries come with actual extra sugar in them, so you're going to end up having to take some of them apart because the extra sugar is going to actually stick them together. Okay, so let me pull some of them apart. And if you notice, some of the larger nuts we actually broke apart. Now, after you're done with just putting the fruit and the nuts in, make sure they're all stirred together really well. Now, Abby, you want to do the honors and I'll stir this time? All right. We're going to put all of the good candy in.
You got some Reese's Pieces. You put some in.
Can you just pour them all together? Can you just pour it all in and then stir? Or do you have to stir while you pour? Okay, just dump them. You aren't gonna put all of them in?
No.
Why? Too many?
She might save half of them.
Oh, you just want to snack on them.
Yeah.
But she's gonna see how much is in here, and she's gonna end up sticking them all in here anyway.
I know, because that's what you have a lot.
You have a lot of trail mix in here, baby.
You can do many trails with this.
Yep, many. See?
I would imagine a lot of people would put cranberries and stuff in too.
Cranberries are a good thing, especially during the holidays to get a little festive. There's a big one. I told you we broke up some. There we go. Keep pouring.
Dump away. Just dump them. These are like adult sprinkles right here.
Adult.
Yeah, adult kind of sprinkles. There we go. Makes it look pretty.
Now, where are you going to store all these?
In lock and locks.
Yeah,
we are?
Yeah, we will.
I was going to
Actually,
say.
we usually start by
Yeah.
sticking them back into these. A really good way to see if you've had enough of everything in your mix. Okay.
Something like that.
So basically, if you just
You have
grab a
some
small
peanuts.
handful, you're going to get a taste of everything.
gotta
That's
get
what
a
you're
taste
shooting
of
for.
everything.
There's a walnut. Here's an almond.
And then
It's-
peanuts and some candy and
some fruit. Okay.
Okay, so and you were saying that the smart thing is to repurpose your nut containers, and you use that to store.
I use these to store these in the fridge, but of course we're gonna have a lot more. This does freeze very well, so we have some containers like lock and lock and freezer containers that we will label and freeze in the freezer, and then we'll get them out when we want to. So this is absolutely
The other advantage of using these peanut containers to store your trail mix is these are perfect if you're going on a car trip.
Yep.
Or if you're camping, especially if you're hiking in. It's an easy container to carry some trail mix in, and you can either just eat it out of here or in a car. You just take a couple little snack bowls and divvy it out for your kids, and they have it's non-messy.
Thank you for watching our video on healthy and affordable trail mix. I'm Abby. This is Jennifer for the Life Mate Cafe.
In one of our next videos, we will show you how to make these wonderful chocolate chip cookies.